Hello and welcome to our Vision 2020 second quarterly review for the Technology Committee. Our IndaStar indicators are A204, where instructional teams will develop standards-aligned units of instruction for each subject and grade level. CT01, the LEA or school regularly looks at school performance data and aggregated classroom observation data and uses that data to make decisions about school improvement and professional development needs. As we have mentioned previously, the technology survey results from the beginning of the year indicated that we would like to have more professional development on iPad apps, Google, and classroom web design, as well as Discovery Education. We have since completed our Readvolution program, and we have held our first Tech Tuesday, which was on December 5th. Our topic was SchoolNet. If you were unable to attend, the link is here for you. We have also presented at the Winter Expo. Mrs. Cooper presented Google Classroom and Screencast-O-Matic and shared how you can create a classroom on Google as well as other features. Mrs. Perez from our committee also presented on Discovery Education, the board builder feature. She shared with staff how to create boards to show a level of mastery on a particular topic. For our next steps, we will be having another Tech Tuesday on February 27th on Seesaw and iPad apps. This will be presented by Ms. Francescelli. We will also be holding Tech Tuesdays on Google Voice, Prodigy, MobyMax, and we will continue to promote Google certification among grade levels. Thank you for attending, and we hope you have a great day.